pattern painting, and I'm going to do some pictures. Let's start. First, I'll tell you what we need. First, we need paint. I got a paper plate so I could dip. We have paper here, and I use vegetable stamp. If you have a paintbrush, you could do that. Let's start. I got to the yellow. Wait. Up you come. I'll dip it in the yellow. It's got in the yellow. Some more. Come on out. So, red. Yellow. What comes next? After yellow? Yeah, it's red. Yeah, nice. Now let's make a new pattern. This time let me dip the yellow and the blue. Okay, so where does that be? Let's do this. It's totally fine if you do some mixing. I'm going totally blue on this. Let's keep it sometime. After some time, after I put the blue, I'm going to remove it and see. Oh, did I already dip it? This way. First. So it should be ready. Whoop. Just like, whoop. A circle every time this goes. Rusty hands. You could let your parents find all different kinds of vegetables in your house, everywhere, and you can make all different kinds of patterns like circle, square, diamond, whatever vegetable shape you have, you could do that. I got one carrot cut in the shape of the triangle. See? Because I had one spiky one and one carrot, 2 carrots for me. Happy me. Let's start. Let's put it here for that. And I'm going to put this one in the yellow. Just wait for some time. Okay, nice. Good. First. Will be first there. Now I did it one more time. Whoop. That don't look like a triangle. What the hell? That's okay. That looks like a circle. Joke. No. Go. No. Go. Now let's see what patterns we have here. Red circle, yellow circle, red circle, yellow circle, red circle, yellow circle. Red, circle, blue circle, red circle, blue circle, red circle, blue circle, red circle, blue circle. Red triangle, yellow circle, red triangle, yellow circle, red triangle, yellow circle. That's the pattern. Try some drawing. First, let me take this red one, this red carry triangle, and do it for the sides. Okay? Okay, one side, out. See, this is a pattern flower painting. Hope you like my pattern video. I hope you want to try it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.